Held at a talent search show for the youth living in Huruma Area in Nairobi on how they can benefit from their right talents in order to be self-independent by engaging the youth in the campaign against harmful drug abuse, early marriages. Have a look.
Our goal is to create awareness on HIV and AIDS, drugs and substance abuse.
So today we are here in Huruma to launch an art center that performs recycling of waste into fashion, partnering with a team from the Wasafi. And also in feature of that, we are also teaching these young mothers how to recycle the waste products into very fine pieces of fashion. And with that comes our department of textile art and fashion, because we create very amazing pieces out of the wastes, things like the bottle tops, things like the papers of bread. We can use that to create canvases. We can use that to create necklaces and earrings and all that.
Art for Change is a much needed initiative in Kenya, especially for the youth who are talented in various sectors but are not very privileged to get a chance to do other education programs such as sciences or mathematics, or are basically not good in it.